Good evening, brothers and sisters. It is 11:03 p.m. Central Standard Time on February the 20th, 2022. Hope the Creator is keeping you well and safe wherever you are in the world. Please make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe button so we can bring awareness to those that are in need, to the masses. We are looking at our last couple of days, actually. I haven't really done a couple of videos. There hasn't been a whole lot going on. As you can clearly see, things have been relatively quiet. We had a little bit of a bump of a C flare, barely. Yesterday, and then in today we had a little bit of a C flare today too. Nothing super major. It's a C5. Some of it's coming our way. Not a major coronal mass ejection, but we will go take a peek at that. As we get over here onto seeds, we can actually take a look, and there's a couple things I wanted to show you on seeds actually. And it looks like we've got a couple of ordeals going on. There's one pop right there. We can clearly see that, but we can see a little guy here, and there was one here, right there. But as we're going out, if you look, it actually over here on the left side here, it actually looks like something starts to come and fly into the sun. Look at that. Do you see that right here? It's flying into the sun. Do you see that? Look at that. Something's flying into the sun, like into it. Coronal mass ejections fly out, so what the hell is flying into the sun? I don't get that. That don't make no sense to me. But hopefully you guys saw that. And if you look here, looks like something is right here flying into the sun too. Look at that. Something else is flying into the sun. That's two things. What the hell's flying into the sun, ladies and gentlemen? I don't know. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Right there, we've got a planetary type object right there popping up, and as this one pops up and he's flying out, this guy's flying in. Watch this. Hey, where the hell are you going? Oh look, there's one up here too. You see that? Where the hell are they going? Folks, what the F is going on? What's flying into the damn sun? Oh, and then look at the time jump from 1836 to 2212. Oh, let's not let anybody see what the heck else is going on. What the hell was that, huh? Can anybody tell me that? Now this is going in reverse. And this is going back forward. Forward in time. This is flying out of the sun, or should I say it's coming around and getting pushed out, but something over here is going clearly into the sun. Look at that. Two of them. Whoop. What the hell is that? I don't know, but it looks like some kind of an arm or something. Look at that weird looking thing. What the heck is that? Yeah, see that? Some kind of a gigantic, I don't know. Whatever it is, it was huge. Crazy stuff, folks. Crazy stuff. Here we are looking at stereo ahead, chronograph 2. And you remember what we saw on the other one, which was seeds, but it had LASCO C2 and then the ink filter. We actually saw the one coming off the right side here going off this way as the other one was coming in, right? So this is stereo ahead, so we should be seeing something coming off this side, which, you know, because we're over here looking at it, so it looked like it came off the top right, you know, going off this way, but now that we're to the left of Earth, it should be coming off this side, which would be the back. So let's see if we can find something coming off here. Let's come over to here. Boop. And as we're, oh, yep, sure enough. We got here and here. We can see it coming off. See that? Nice and slow. See it? We captured that guy, didn't we? How you doing there, buddy? Yep, and then that's the start off. Oh, it looks like there was one here too. And here. Yeah, nice pops. Pop-peroonies. Got him there too. Wonder what's going on up there. There's some funky stuff going on, folks. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our overlay here of 211, 193, and 171 angstroms, and we are going to see what kind of coronal mass ejections we have coming our way, or in the way of flares. Oop, looks like we've got some filament movement down here. Oh yeah, and that was on the 19th, so we had a little bit coming off of that. So that was a little guy coming our way. Let's see what else we got. Whoa, see that off the back side over here? That's going to be coming right into view here for us pretty soon. That's going to be facing Earth. So that's not going to be too fun. Ooh, looks like we have a little bit of activity over here. You can kind of see that there. And, oh yeah, there was a pop. Boom, right there. There was a coronal mass ejection. Slight flare with it. I think that's about it. Yeah, I'm not really seeing much of anything else, so I think we're going to be alright. Oh, you see how this all just changes colors? That's really fascinating. Like, whoa. Yeah, sun is definitely picking up in activity, and she is not happy. The other thing I've noticed is we've got some cyclones going on up over here, and they're spinning around, coming right over here into this vortex area. If you take a watch, you'll see it kind of spinning around. See that? There is something over there just sucking that energy off. Look at that. It's pulling a band over this way, like this, and then it's also pulling it out of the front here. In fact, let me see if I can zoom in here for us real nice. Look at that. See that? There's something there pulling energy off the sun, sucking the energy. Look at that. Totally pulling it. Wonder what that is. What could possibly do that, ladies and gentlemen? I don't know. But we're going to actually take a look over here. We're going to run this guy here. Stereo head. Actually, I think this is the one we just ran. But this is from the 18th. Should be pretty decent. Yeah, that's about it. There was really nothing major on there that I can see that we need to be paying attention to. So this one, we're good to go with him. Oh, goodbye. Go away. And this one's the same thing. It's just running the difference. But this one, on the other hand, is a little bit different. Let us zoom in and take a look, shall we? And here we go. Now, there's something I want to show everybody. We have those two comets really, that decided to run on a suicide mission right into the sun. And this is where I like to show the difference, oh yeah, of comets and not comets. Okay, right here, we've obviously got something right here. You can clearly see it. I'll zoom in a little bit more for you. There you go. That is a nice, round, planetary type object. Okay. I'm going to bring her back down, because that's going to be important. There we go. Of course, we got our space station here on the left. Here's another round planetary object, and another one right here. Just kind of heading out. Now, oh look. Yeah, you just saw another one. Now, as we're watching, look here. Here's our comets. Now, notice how our comets are there in every single frame heading towards the sun, right? Woo, what was that? But it's heading towards the sun. And what does it do? It's going right toward the sun. Okay? This is going away from the sun. Sun is the largest magnet in our solar system, right? So this shouldn't be going this way. It should be going and coming over here and getting smacked. And the sun should be absorbing it. In fact, if you go to spaceweather.com, they called them suicide comets or sun diving comets that were eaten by the sun. So and as they got closer, now here's the thing, as they got closer, they literally disintegrated. Poof. Gone. Whoa. Star Wars. What the fragnog? Holy Battlescar Galactica is going on here. Look at all of these battle formations. What? There's some kind of Star Trekky Star Wars stuff going on right now. That was on the 16th. Whoa. So actually we're a few days behind. But that's alright. It's always going on up there, folks. We know that, right? Woo, that was a little nutty, wasn't it? Wonder what happened there. But as we can see, we saw the comets, right? And I think we got one more little. Yep, there's one little battle formation there. So I'm gonna go back up, and you're gonna see the comets. You see the comets coming out, heading back in there, and they disappeared, and went to nothing, right? So we can see that those are comets or photon torpedoes, but we'll call them comets. Here we are looking at 94 on the SDO, looking at 94 angstroms of light, and over here we're looking at 304 angstroms of light. Okay, this is on the 19th. This one's on the 20th. We've got our times down here, UTC time. So we just saw the comets that were coming in, and they were in several frames, correct? Several frames, getting up closer to the sun. And yet, we can look at here. Let me back up a little bit and then run it forward. And for only one frame, oh, 1 frame only. Difference of 10 minutes on either side. Which would be extremely fast, by the way. We get this guy. He's not going towards the sun. There's no angle. He's not burning up. He's traversing. He's going right across it like, see you later. I am not affected by the sun. And he's only here for 1 frame only. Why? What's the deal? Here we go over here. 304. Here's another one. 1 frame only. Not bending, nothing. So how do they do that? How do they do that? You know? I mean, let's see if we got another one here in the 94. I bet we can find another one. Let's find out here, shall we? Enough, it didn't take me long. Here on the 304, just went a few more frames ahead. Got another one right over here. Look at that, he ain't bending. He ain't burning. He's saying sayonara, sucker. And right over here. Oh, there's another one. Once again, there's the time. 94 angstroms of light. Look at that. See you later, sucker. Zoom. Folks, not comets, not meteors, not asteroids. Those are UFOs, unidentified flying objects, because I don't know the name, make, model, the material it's made out of. No clue. But I will say they're spaceships. But there's nothing to be afraid of with it. Nothing whatsoever. We just need to be aware that they're there and aware of the things to come. Remember, eyes open, no fear, and remember that love is the only way forward.